Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the most complex structure in the known universe, the human brain. Yeah, you heard that right. This 3-pound mass of grey and white matter sitting in our skulls is more complex than any galaxy, any black hole, any supercomputer ever built. And it's responsible for everything that makes us, well, us. Now you might be thinking, Neil, I use my brain every day. What's so mind-blowing about that? Well, get this. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. It's a non-stop electrical storm in there, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking billions of neurons firing signals at speeds faster than a Formula One race car. Over the next few minutes, we're going to unlock some of the brain's coolest secrets, from how it stacks up against supercomputers to the incredible things it does while we sleep. So buckle up, get ready to be amazed, and maybe even learn a thing or two about the universe inside your head. Alright, so you know how everyone's talking about artificial intelligence and how computers are getting crazy powerful? Well, hold your horses before we crown them the ultimate intelligence. You see, the human brain is still the undisputed champion when it comes to efficiency. I'm talking about processing information, making decisions and adapting to new situations, things even the most advanced AI can only dream of doing. Think about it. Supercomputers are massive, taking up entire rooms, guzzling energy like it's going out of style. Your brain fits neatly inside your head, runs on a couple of slices of pizza, and can outperform these behemoths in many tasks. How? That's the million-dollar question, and scientists are still trying to figure it out. But here's what we do know. The brain's intricate network of neurons firing signals at speeds up to 268 miles per hour allows it to process information with incredible speed and complexity. That's faster than a Formula One race car. So yeah, your brain is a pretty big deal. We've all been there, pulling an all-nighter, feeling like our brains are fried. And you know what? That feeling is not just in your head. Sleep isn't just about resting our weary bodies, it's like a nightly spa treatment for the brain. While you're catching those Z's, your brain is hard at work, performing critical maintenance and cleanup tasks. One of the most important things your brain does while you sleep is to hit the save button on your memories. Think of it like this. During the day, your brain is bombarded with information sights, sounds, smells, emotions, that embarrassing thing you said to your crush. It's a lot to process. So, while you sleep, your brain sifts through all that data, organizing and storing important memories and tossing out the rest. But wait, there's more. Sleep also plays a vital role in learning and creativity. Studies have shown that getting enough sleep can actually boost your problem-solving abilities and make you more innovative. So, if you're facing a tough challenge, sometimes the best thing you can do is sleep on it. Your brain will thank you for it. Okay folks, let's talk about something we all need, and I'm not talking about the latest smartphone or that fancy coffee drink. I'm talking about good old-fashioned H2O water. You see, our brains are about 75% water, which means staying hydrated is crucial for keeping those neurons firing and those synapses snapping. Think of your brain like a lush garden. Without enough water, the plants wither and die. The same goes for your brain. Dehydration can lead to brain fog, headaches, and even problems with memory and concentration. Not exactly the recipe for a productive day, right? So how much water should you be drinking? Well, the old 8 glasses a day rule is a good starting point, but listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. And here's a bonus tip. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. It's good for your brain and the planet. Chapter 4. For a long time, scientists believed that our brains were pretty much hardwired by the time we reached adulthood. But guess what? Our brains are way cooler than that. Turns out the brain is incredibly adaptable, constantly rewiring itself throughout our lives. This amazing ability is called neuroplasticity, and it's like having a superpower in our heads. Neuroplasticity means that our brains can change and grow, forming new neural connections in response to new experiences, learning, and even after injuries. It's the reason why we can learn new languages, pick up new skills, and even recover from strokes. Pretty mind-blowing, right? The best part is that neuroplasticity is a lifelong process. It doesn't stop when we hit a certain age. So whether you're thinking about learning a new instrument, picking up a new hobby, or simply challenging your brain with puzzles and brain games, remember that you have the power to reshape your brain every single day. Chapter 5. Here's a fun fact. Your brain loves it when you're happy. I'm not just talking about a fleeting sense of contentment, but genuine, heartfelt joy. When you experience positive emotions, your brain lights up like a Christmas tree, releasing a cascade of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters are like the life of the party in your brain, boosting your mood, improving your memory, and even strengthening your immune system. Think of it this way. Happiness is like a performance enhancer for your brain. So how do we tap into this happiness advantage? Well, it's different for everyone. But some surefire ways to boost your brain's happy chemicals include spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, practicing gratitude, and simply taking some time for yourself to relax and recharge. Chapter 6. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored just a fraction of what makes the human brain so incredibly awesome. From its supercomputer-like processing power to its ability to rewire itself and its love for happiness, the brain is truly a marvel of nature. But here's the thing, our brains aren't just for show, they're the control centers of our lives, influencing everything we think, feel, and do. That's why it's so important to take care of them. Just like we nourish our bodies with healthy food and exercise, we need to nourish our brains with stimulating activities, positive experiences, and of course, enough sleep. So keep those brains buzzing, stay curious, and never stop exploring the incredible universe inside your head. And hey, if you learned something new today, do your brain a favor and share this video with a friend. Now, before we go, I have to give a shout out to the amazing team that helped make this video possible. We had some help from some pretty advanced AI technologies to ensure we brought you the most accurate and engaging information. ChatGPT was instrumental in crafting the script, making sure it's both entertaining and easy to understand, and of course we couldn't have done it without InVideo. Their platform helped us bring everything to life with stunning visuals and seamless transitions. It's incredible how technology can help us understand and appreciate the wonders of the human brain even more. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the amazing world of the human brain. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover about this incredible organ. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing content, and until next time, keep those brains firing.